Bill Stake here, Nature Watch, middle of June, all of that kind of thing. Now, I've been told by my very good friend, Royston, that the okiedokie bird can actually be found in the very vicinity where I live, which is in mid-Wales. So today, as it's such a beautiful day, I'm going to go out and about and going to try and find the okiedokie bird. Now, a lot of you out there are going to say, this is just a joke. No such damn thing as an okiedokie bird. But I can assure you, I've heard it, the missus has heard it, and quite a lot of people around here have heard it. Royston has heard it. So join me now as we go in search of the okiedokie bird. So, I'm down here now at the bottom of the Gong, and we've got to be very quiet if we can. This is the very place where Royston says we will probably hear and see the okiedokie bird. So down we go. Now, Royston tells me that one of the best ways of seeing the okiedokie bird is to actually stand and be very still. So I'm going to call out now, like Royston's told me. Okiedokie! 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 The okiedokie bird lives in a sort of water environment and around, and this is the ideal place for him. I'm going to call him again now. Okiedokie! Okiedokie! Now, I'm by the side of the brook, which is the very place that the okiedokie bird should be. This is the best time to see him in June. He could be up there, be over there, he could be down there. Okiedokie! 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 Not a sign of him, and he hasn't replied. You can bet your life when I've turned this camera off, he'll be chirping away in the trees. Okiedokie! 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 Okiedokie!
Any sightings of the okiedokie bird then, Bill?
Not a twitter. Okiedokie! Okiedokie!